In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to efficiently communicate and collaborate with multiple team members, creating a group chat is a great place to start. It's easy once you know where to look. And by the end of this guide, you'll have your group chat up and running in no time. First, to get started, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Teams website or open the Teams app on your device. You can easily find the links to access Microsoft Teams through the platform, so navigating your way there is simple if you need help. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams home screen, the next step is to sign in. In the top right corner, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that, and it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you sign in with the correct account that you want to use for this group chat. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the main Teams interface. Look for the chat icon, which is usually represented by a speech bubble symbol on the sidebar. Clicking this will show you all your ongoing conversations and, more importantly, give you the option to start a new chat. Now it's time to create your group chat. You'll see a small pencil icon or a new chat button, usually located towards the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that to begin. This is where you can start your new group chat by inviting team members to join the conversation. In the To field of the New Chat window, type the names or email addresses of the people you want to add. Microsoft Teams will often auto-suggest contacts from your address book, which makes adding people quick and easy. You can add as many members as needed, so make sure everyone who should be part of the conversation is included right from the start. Once you've added your participants, it's time to name your group chat. This is an important step that helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the chat. Just below the names of the people you've added, there should be an option to enter a group chat name. Click the pencil beside of the group name and type a name that best describes the focus or topic of the chat. For example, you might name it something like Admin Instructions or Business Plan Discussion. And that's it. You've now successfully created a group chat and given it a custom name in Microsoft Teams. This not only streamlines your communication, but also helps keep everyone organized and on the same page. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.